The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet. But did you know that we have only explored less than 5% of its depths? Get ready to discover 50 shocking facts that most people don't know about the ocean. From bioluminescent creatures to hidden mysteries in the abyss, you'll be amazed by what lies beneath the waves. The ocean covers over 70% of Earth, but only 4% has been explored. Despite its enormous size, most of the ocean remains a mystery. The Mariana Trench is the deepest point in the ocean, with a depth of 11 kilometers. It is so deep that if we placed Mount Everest inside it, it would still be submerged. There are more historical artifacts at the bottom of the sea than in all the museums in the world. It is estimated that over 3 million shipwrecks rest on the seafloor. If all the ice on Earth melted, sea levels would rise by more than 60 meters. This would submerge many coastal cities like New York and London. The oceans contain around 97% of the planet's water. However, it is not drinkable due to its high salt content. The giant squid can grow over 13 meters and has eyes the size of a football. These enormous mollusks are so elusive that they are rarely seen alive. The lanternfish uses bioluminescence to attract prey in the dark. Its natural light allows it to hunt in depths where sunlight doesn't reach. Sharks have existed for more than 400 million years, even before dinosaurs. They have survived multiple extinctions and continue to dominate the seas. Jellyfish have survived 5 mass extinctions. They don't have a brain, but their simple nervous system has allowed them to adapt to any change. The blobfish is considered the ugliest animal in the world, but its appearance only occurs outside of water. In its natural habitat, its body is adapted to the extreme pressure and looks normal. The bloop was an extremely loud sound recorded in the Pacific in 1996, and its origin remains a mystery. Some believe it was caused by breaking icebergs, but others think it could be an unknown creature. It is estimated that there are more than 3 million shipwrecks on the ocean floor, including everything from pirate ships to World War submarines. There is an underwater river in the Black Sea with its own channel and banks. It is a dense, saline water current that flows like a river within the sea. The oceans hide more than 20 million tons of dissolved gold. However, it is so diluted that a method to extract it profitably has not yet been found. Some marine creatures can live for over 500 years, like the Greenland shark. A specimen was found to be more than 400 years old, making it the longest living vertebrate on the planet. More than 90% of the heat trapped by climate change is absorbed by the oceans. This leads to rising sea levels and coral bleaching. Each year, 8 million tons of plastic end up in the sea. This severely impacts marine life, as many animals mistake plastic for food. There is a garbage island in the Pacific that is 3 times the size of France. It is a massive accumulation of plastic waste trapped by ocean currents. The sound of ship engines can affect whale communication. Underwater noise interferes with their echolocation, making it harder for them to navigate and feed. Coral reefs could disappear before 2050 due to global warming. Ocean acidification and rising temperatures are killing these vital ecosystems. Sea turtles can cry to expel excess salt from their bodies. Their tear glands remove the salt from their marine diet. The ocean produces more than 50% of the planet's oxygen, thanks to the activity of microscopic organisms like phytoplankton. Some fish can change sex depending on the needs of their group. This allows them to ensure reproduction when there is a shortage of males or females. The stonefish is the most poisonous fish in the world, and its sting can be fatal. Its camouflage makes it nearly invisible on the ocean floor, posing a danger to divers. Manta rays can leap out of the water as if they were fleeing. The exact reason for this behavior is still unknown, but it might be related to communication or parasite removal. There is a blue hole in Belize that is more than 125 meters deep. It is a submarine sinkhole that is a popular diving destination. The ocean contains more than 1 million underwater volcanoes, many of which are still active. Some of these volcanoes have created new islands throughout history. The largest waves ever recorded have reached up to 30 meters in height during extreme storms. These monstrous waves can sink entire ships without warning. There are underwater lakes and rivers due to differences in water density. They form when denser saline water flows along the ocean floor. The ocean has its own system of ocean currents that transport heat and affect global climate. These currents regulate the planet's temperature and impact weather patterns. The black dragonfish can absorb 99.5% of light, making it nearly invisible in the dark. Its ultra-black skin helps it hunt without being detected. The mantis shrimp can break aquarium glass with its ultra-fast punch. Its claws move at speeds comparable to a gunshot. Octopuses have 3 hearts, and their blood is blue due to the copper in their hemoglobin. This helps them survive in cold, low-oxygen waters. The goblin shark is known as the living fossil because it has hardly evolved in millions of years. Its terrifying appearance and retractable jaw make it unique in the animal kingdom. Some eels can produce electric shocks of up to 600 volts. These shocks help them hunt and defend against predators. The Baltic Sea anomaly is an object on the seafloor that resembles a spaceship. Its origin remains uncertain. Some believe it could be a meteorite fragment. The Bermuda Triangle is famous for the unexplained disappearance of ships and airplanes. Although there are many theories, there is no clear evidence of a supernatural cause. Lake Vostok, hidden beneath the ice of Antarctica, has been isolated from the rest of the world for millions of years. It is believed to potentially harbor unknown life forms. Atlantis remains a mystery, but some theories suggest it could be the remains of submerged civilizations. Although there is no conclusive evidence, there are intriguing underwater ruins in various parts of the world. The underwater waterfalls of Mauritius are an optical illusion created by sand sediment. From the air, it looks like water is cascading into the ocean abyss. Sound waves can travel 4 times faster in water than in air. This allows cetaceans to communicate over long distances. Astronauts train in large pools to simulate the weightlessness of space. This helps them prepare for microgravity in orbit. The Titanic lies 3,800 meters deep in the Atlantic Ocean. Its structure is rapidly decaying due to marine bacteria. Microplastics have been found in the deepest water on the planet. Even in the Mariana Trench, plastic particles have been discovered. The oceans have absorbed about 30% of the CO2 emitted by humans since the Industrial Revolution. This is causing ocean acidification, which affects marine life. Starfish can regenerate their arms. Some can even regenerate their entire body from just one arm. The ocean can emit a glow at night due to bioluminescence. This phenomenon occurs in areas with high concentrations of phytoplankton. Living creatures have been found at the deepest point of the ocean. Despite the extreme pressure, there is life in the Mariana Trench. The ocean still holds secrets, with about 2 million marine species yet to be discovered. New and surprising species are identified every year. We know more about the surface of Mars than the depths of the ocean. There is still much to explore in the deep sea. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Leave it in the comments. If you liked this video, give it a like, subscribe, and keep exploring more curiosities with us at Did You Know? See you later on a next adventure.